Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe, as I always do. Thank you for joining me today. Today is 11/22/2021. Now, if you are not subscribed to Bagoday Crochet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell to where you receive all notifications. Otherwise, you'll miss out on my tutorials and some other awesome content, because if you don't have that set to receive all notifications, YouTube's just going to pick and choose what they send, and you want to see it all. So today I have some Black Friday yarn I got from Hobby, Hobbii, based in Denmark. So I have not opened it up yet, but I'm super stoked to do it. You guys want to see what it is? I do. I want to see it. All right. So this came relatively fast, probably 4 days maybe. FedEx. All right. This I purchased from their Black Friday sale, which they've been going on for a while. So let's see what I got. I don't remember, even though it was only 4 days ago. A busted label. I don't really like busted labels, but it's because they shipped in a bag. And I know they ship in a bag because it saves on shipping. Well, that's okay. I'm going to try to find the, what's it called? The invoice, so I can tell you how much. This stuff is so crammed in here. It's smashing up my cakes now. Come on, Hobby. I know you ship in boxes. I've gotten yarn in boxes. That's a little disappointing to get a ball like that. That's okay. It's all right. Okay. All right, let's see what we got. No prices. No prices. Of course there's no prices. All right, so do the old-fashioned way. We'll look it up. Let's start off and look at their Black Friday deals, because this is where I got most of this yarn. All right, here we go. So, first off, I got some Black Friday cotton yarn. I got the 8/8, which is like between a 3 and a 4 weight yarn. Now they had bag of 10 for $10.70. So I did get 2 bags that I thought went well together. So when you buy Hobby's cotton, the 8/8 is like between a 3 and a 4, and the 8/4 is like more like a sport weight. So I got this 10 pack of 8/8 here. It says Black Friday, the Black Friday deal. $10.70. I didn't think that was a bad price. Their cotton's not bad. And a lot of people like their cotton. To me, it's okay. It's not bad. It's usable. I don't have a problem with it. It's 100% cotton. It's the yardage that's not quite a bit. Yeah, they classify this as a 3 weight. Made in India. Yeah. I'll open one up and I'll see what we got going on here for yardage. Yeah, I don't feel bad at all. It doesn't feel bad at all. 82 yards. So I got 820 yards of cotton for $10.70 of a 3 weight cotton. It's okay. It's a good deal, and I'm happy with it. So I got this beautiful pink, and I got this pretty blue, and I thought they went really well together. So these were part of their Black Friday deal, $10.70 for a 10 pack. They got all different colors, or they did when I ordered these. And then they had this Black Friday yarn right here. This is beautiful. Now, this is their Acrylic XL yarn. Okay. You get 5 balls, limited edition 2021 for $10.70. And it is a medium weight number 4. And it's made in India. And there are, why is the yardage so hard to find? 191 yards. So it's not a bad deal for 5 balls. So it's like $2 a ball. Pretty close. So not bad. And you know, their regular acrylic isn't bad either. You know, it's better than Red Heart Super Saver. But, and it smells clean. So yes, nice deal on that, in my opinion. It's a nice deal. And then they had some other yarns. I'm not sure if they were Black Friday or not. I think maybe some of them were. Yeah, they got a lot more Black Friday stuff than last time I was here. But I'm just going to keep what I got. Okay, these were Black Friday also. These are their Lollipop yarns, and I have had these before. I have tutorials that I've used making these. I love them a lot. Isn't that pretty? I love their lollipops. I do. So these are 382 yards a cake, and it's a medium weight number 4. It's an 80 acrylic, 20% wool blend. Nice. Made in Turkey. So the color I have here is called color number 22. Very pretty. So these are $10.70 a ball, regular $20.50. $20.50 is not something I would pay. I only buy these when these are on sale because they are very, very pretty yarns. I have, like I said, tutorials made out of them, and I have 2 other colors over in here that I see right now that I need to make something with. So I got this color, and then I got color number 23, which is very pretty too. So very good deals on these. I like them a lot, and I would highly recommend those. Love them. Love them. Let's see what else they got in their Black Friday lineup. Lots of stuff that wasn't in the Black Friday lineup when I bought it. Okay, so this is the one that came with busted labels. They did have all my yarn crammed in a small sack, so I got ripped labels and my yarn is all smashed up. That's unfortunate. I really don't like that. But I understand that they do that because of shipping, but I wish that they would have used a bigger bag because it was so tight in there. Everything's crunched up to nothing. But that's okay. I'll survive. So this one is their Amigo Chunky. Now it is $3.85 a ball. I thought this color was gorgeous, and I love chunky yarn. So it is a bulky number 5, 109 yards, made in Turkey, 100% acrylic. It's very soft, smells clean, it's scarfable, and it's beautiful. $3.85 a ball. I think that would make a beautiful little, let's see, how much I got? 109 yards, I got 300 yards. That's enough to make a nice, beautiful scarf. It's pretty. I like that. I love the washed, you know, it's busy, but I love the colors in it a lot. So I think that's going to make something very, very beautiful. Okay, let's move on and see what else they got. You guys should check it out. Like I said, they got a lot more now than they did before. I might have to go back to tell you the truth. Although I shouldn't. But, you know, that's not ever saw me before. Shouldn't and not doing it are 2 different things. Alright. So, they had this on sale also, the Metallico, which is a very pretty yarn. If you're familiar with Hobium's Rock and Roll, or maybe Ice's Rockstar, that's what this is. It's the exact same thing. It is $2.95 a ball. It's very, very pretty. I like this blue and gold looking one. I thought it was very pretty. So, it's 70% polyamide, 21 acrylic, and 9% merino, and it is $2.95 a ball, and there are 125 yards, and I'm going to take a guess it's made in Turkey. I'm almost 100% that this is made in Turkey. Yes, it is. So it's very beautiful, smells clean, it's very soft and shiny, and I did get 6 balls, so so that's enough for me to make like a shawlette or a wrap or a affinity scarf, pattern scarf set. I don't know, anything I make with it will be beautiful. And I do have several tutorials of making stuff out of yarns like the Rockstar or Rock and Roll. It's just like this. So this is really pretty. I love that color. That's gorgeous. Okay, I don't have much more on my Black Friday endeavor here other than my smashed up balls of this yarn. Oh my gosh, it's stuck to the tape. Now, I'm not one to complain to yarn companies, so I won't do that. But this is all stuck to the tape. And it's roping, it's ripping it up. Okay, I was excited about this one too. Okay, so this is their Winter Glow yarn. I've never had it before. It's $8.50 a ball, and they have a lot of colors. It's Winter Glow Solid. It's 51 wool and 49 acrylic. It's a roving style, and they classify it as a medium weight number 4. And it is 382 yards, made in Italy. I really like it. I'm not a fan of them being all tore up from being stuck to the tape. Now the roving is all floofed, but that's okay, you know, whatever. So I got, yeah, like I said, $8.50 a ball. That's not a bad price. I haven't had this before. I was waiting for it to go on sale. So I got 5 colors of brown here. I got this one. And then I go to this one. And then we go to this one. And then we go to this one. And then we go to the light one. So those are all be worked together in one project. And I know you might think, hey, those don't go well together. Ah, they will. They will. I'll make those work. So that's all I got from Hobby as far as their Black Friday sale. You know, I didn't go wild, although there are more on there now than there was before. I'm very happy with everything that I got. I think it's all very, very pretty. So that's it on that. Unless I do go back and hit their Black Friday sale up again, I'll let you know and show you what I got. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Short and sweet, but beautiful yarns to show. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you on my next video, alright? Whatever that might be. I love you all. Bye bye, guys.